Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the secret diamond rod in Fish It game on Roblox new diamond rod update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The diamond rod update has been released in Fish It game, and you will be able to get the new diamond rod, which is a secret rod in Fish It. And as you can see here, if you want to get the diamond rod, you need to talk to the diamond researcher and start new mission. And I'm going to show you guys how you can find the diamond researcher and start your diamond rod mission. So you can go to the mutation cellar room. You can teleport to there and you will find the diamond researcher right here. Okay, this is the diamond researcher and you can talk to him. And wait, let me click on shiny rock. Okay, and click on the diamond researcher, and then the diamond rod quest will appear right here guys. As you can see, diamond researcher quest, and there will be a lot of missions that you need to complete to get the diamond rod. Wait, let me show you. Okay, you can go to the main quest and you will find diamond researcher right here. You need to own an element rod, catch a secret fish at coral reef, and then catch a secret fish at tropical grove, and so on. And the reward will be the diamond key, and you can use the diamond key to open the secret door or secret location right here guys. If you have the diamond key, you will be able to open this door and then get your diamond rod. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the diamond rod in Fish It game on Roblox diamond rod update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.